came into the bathroom because I was going to take a shower. And then I started hearing some kind of banging or rattling or something on the other side of the door or in the walls or something. And I don't know what it is. And I've been trying to figure it out for the past 10 minutes because I just want to get in the shower. That's it right there. And the only other person that lives here is asleep. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Do I call Ghostbusters? Or the Winchesters? I don't know. I don't know. I don't even want to move. Yeah, I'm not going out there. I'm not. Nope. This is how I die.